Thutha wa thirikari kuheana mitaratara ya kurigireria murimu wa COVID-19 icigo-ini iria ikoretwo ikiandikithia namba nene, riu thirikari yongereire mihango ya ithimi mihaka-ini imwe ya bururi kuria kuonanitie ugwati munene. Mwena wa Namanga muhaka-ini wa Kenya na bururi wa Tanzania kuroretwo ni thirikari na maitho meri na ithabu-ini rieru riria rikinyitie andu 700 aria manyitikanite na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini tiria kuhuthiririo.
The 9 cases from Kajiado are all Kenyan truck drivers who are returning from Tanzania and tested at the Namanga border point.
Tulikuwa tunauliza serikali hawa madereva wanaopimwa wawekwe sehemu moja mpaka majibu yao itakapotoka,
kwa sababu bado watu wanaenda Tanzania, hata watu wa Mbusi wanaenda mpaka kwa soko la Tanzania. Watu walikuwa kwa soko huko ndani na wanaenda kukaa na watu wa Tanzania na kurudi pande hii.
Thirikari ethiete na mbere na kuria Kenya meyumirie ceceni-ini iria cigetwo cia guthima andu kwa wingi kuona guku nikuo kuraheana uma wa uriku wa murimu uyu muingi-ini.
We have tested 841 samples, out of which 28 have tested positive for coronavirus. This number is distributed as follows. 10 of these cases are from Mombasa, 9 are from Kajiado, 7 from Nairobi, and 2 from Ugwati.
Ona gutwika thirikari ni ihete ataramu wa guku bururi-ini mweke wa kugeria gwetha kihonia kia murimu uyu, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irauga kuri na andu marahuthira mweke uyu kuhenereria a Kenya ihinda-ini riri andu mangigwa mutego-ini o wothe uronania ta kwina mwihoko wa kihonia.
Many of these products that are out there do not have any scientific evidence as to their effectiveness. But more importantly, we know that in a situation like this, there will be some who want to profiteer from this uncertainty by purveying products and claiming certain advantages to their products.
Na gatakati kawagagu na kimako kia murimu wa COVID-19 namba ya andu aria marahona murimu uyu ithiete na mbere na kuongerereka na nikio mwingi urorio weyumirie guthimwo dariri itanehiriria.
We have discharged 12 people from hospital today. This now brings to 251 the total number of recoveries from COVID-19.
Thirikari cia kaunti ni ciuritie ithie na mbere na kwihariria kuona oria murimu uyu urathie na mbere na gutamba wahota kuhutia kaunti ciothe guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.